Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Gemini Banana AI. To begin, always focus your requests. Think of it as giving the AI a single, ripe banana. It knows exactly what to do. Your prompt should be a clear, concise instruction, typically under 25 words, outlining precisely what you need. Always specify the desired format, like a list of 3 items or a paragraph of 100 words, right from the start. Crafting the perfect prompt is crucial for getting the best output. Start your prompt with a powerful action verb, such as summarize, generate, or compare, to clearly define the AI's task. Include only the most essential context, perhaps 2 or 3 key pieces of information, to prevent confusion. Finally, specify the desired tone, like professional or friendly, and the intended audience for a tailored response. Even with a great initial prompt, refinement is often key. Carefully review the AI's first response for accuracy and ensure it meets all your requirements. If adjustments are needed, provide very specific feedback, perhaps highlighting 1 or 2 areas for improvement. For larger projects, break them into smaller, more manageable subtasks, tackling each one individually to maintain focus and quality. To unlock even more sophisticated results, consider advanced techniques. Try persona-based prompting, asking the AI to respond as a marketing expert or as a historian for highly specialized content. Experiment with varying prompt structures, perhaps using bullet points or numbered lists within your request to see what yields the best output. Incorporating specific examples or data points can also significantly enhance the AI's understanding and response quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.